on this affiliate network. It's called Clickbetter. Maybe you're an affiliate, maybe you're a potential affiliate, you want to make some money online and you're trying to figure out, should I check out Clickbetter or are there better affiliate networks out there, right? So we're going to talk all about that. If this is the first time you're watching one of my videos, I'm always coming out with content that will teach you how to gain more freedom with the power of the internet, okay? Now, with Clickbetter, it is one of the lesser known affiliate networks out there. There's some other very big ones like JVZoo, Warrior Plus, ClickBank, of course. Clickbetter is one of the other slightly smaller ones, but it's not really that small, all right? So, you can see some of the benefits here. You can earn up to 80% commissions. The cool thing about Clickbetter is that you can actually be anyone from anywhere in the world. That's a big thing, all right? So basically, with big networks like ClickBank, because they're based in the US, they reject a lot of people that are based outside of the US or the big Western countries, right? So if you live in Eastern Europe, you live in Africa, you live in India, you live in certain parts of Asia, they will reject you. But the great thing about Clickbetter is that they're open to everybody in the world, which is pretty cool, right? So if you can't get access to like ClickBank, for example, you can always check out Clickbetter, right? A lot of people get worried when they get rejected from big networks like ClickBank. They're like, oh no, I'm not going to be able to do internet marketing because ClickBank is not going to accept me. Well, listen, ClickBank is only one of many, 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 many different affiliate networks, right? So Clickbetter is one of those other affiliate networks that you can check out. There are other ones like Digistore24 that you can check out as well, and they're pretty open as well to other big players out there or other countries, right? Now, all you do is very simple. You kind of come up here, come to this page right here, just clickbetter.com. You can sign up under the affiliate sign up. It's very easy, okay? They might ask you for slightly more details than this, and then after that, you can get access to their marketplace, right? So I just want to show you the marketplace. I'm not going to show you exactly how to promote in this particular video, but I just wanted to talk about it a little bit and talk about some of the things that you can do to improve your profit margins, right? And sell more Clickbetter products if that's what you want to do. Now, the thing about Clickbetter is if you check it out, it's very similar to ClickBank. They've got a lot of different areas that you can promote in. It's not just about make money online products, right? So you can promote in the arts, area. So, and I'm going to zoom in a little bit here. Look, you can promote products in architecture, in art, in cooking, in film and TV, in humor, music, photography. You can promote in home and gardening space, right? So home buying, how-to improvements, interior design, weddings, pretty cool stuff, right? Self-help, you can promote dating guides, marriage and relationships, motivational, public speaking, success, time management, software. You can promote different types of softwares like business software, email softwares, internet tools, really cool stuff, right? E-business, okay? Affiliate marketing, this is kind of the space that I'm in, but you don't have to sell affiliate marketing products. You can sell, consulting, copywriting, email marketing, niche, SEM, social media, web design, lots of different things. Look at this, right? Gaming, health and fitness, so weight loss. And even in weight loss itself, there's many, many different sub niches, right? It's not just about selling the weight loss product. You can sell six-pack abs, you can sell dental, you can sell meditation, men's health, women's health, sports, strength training, yoga. You can be very specific, right? And then, in languages, you can sell all sorts of different language products as well, okay? Now, the cool thing about it is, you can see here, you can sign up today, and it's really, really easy, right? And they'll pay you mainly by check, okay? That's how Clickbetter pays out. So if you want to check them out, it's very, very simple. You just come to clickbetter.com, you click on the affiliate sign up, go ahead and sign up as an affiliate, right? And they will put you through an approval process. That's important, right? So you're not going to be accepted, right away from day one. You need to go through an approval process, but the chances that you'll get approved are pretty high. So that's a cool thing about Clickbetter. Now, what I wanted to talk about a little bit more today is how do you get good at selling digital products like Clickbetter, okay? Because a lot of people, they think that, oh, it's just about coming to Clickbetter and then grabbing your affiliate link, right? A lot of people think that. Now, here's the biggest problem with doing that. The way that a lot of people teach affiliate marketing online, unfortunately, is they say, come to Clickbetter or ClickBank or JVZoo or Warrior Plus or Rakuten or ShareASale and grab your affiliate link, and all you need to do is send lots of traffic and leads to your affiliate link, right? Now, here's the problem. Essentially, what your affiliate link is it's a sales page, okay? So when somebody clicks on your affiliate link, it goes to the sales page of whatever product that you're promoting. So let's just say we decide that we want to sell a weight loss program today, right? So that's what you decide to be in. You decide that you want to become the weight loss expert. You want to make some money by selling weight loss products, right? So you take your affiliate link, and if you send someone directly to that affiliate link, it's going to send them directly to that specific weight loss program. Okay, so they land on it, right? But the problem is if you send people directly to a sales page, they're not going to buy. Right? Why is that? Well, we live in a day and age. At the time of recording this video, and this video might be on YouTube for a long, long time, and it's going to be relevant even years and years down the track, right? But at the time of recording this video, it's 2021. And in 2021, advertising online is just at an all-time high. Think about it, right? You wake up in the morning, you grab your mobile phone, right? And what's the first thing that you see? Well, you get onto a news website, you see ads. You get onto Facebook, you see ads. You get onto YouTube, you see ads. You turn on the TV, you see ads, right? You're being bombarded by ads in, every single different direction, right? So people hate, they love to buy, but they hate to be sold to. So if you send someone directly to your affiliate link and they don't even know who you are, and you're asking them to buy straight away, because that's essentially what a sales page is, people aren't going to want to buy straight away. Now, if you send enough people to that website, yes, eventually somebody will buy, right? But, you're going to have to send a lot of people, maybe a few hundred people, 500 people before you even get one sale. Now, if you do that, you're going to go broke, because the whole thing about affiliate marketing is you can only make money if your revenue is higher than the cost of doing the business. Does that make sense, right? So your revenue, your sales, must be higher than the cost of sending people to that sales page. And if that's not the case, you're going to make a loss instead of a profit. Okay? So by signing up to a website like Clickbetter and just sending people directly to your affiliate link is not enough for you to generate sales. All right? Now, there are a couple of things that you can do in order to increase your profit margin. The first thing is you must get really good at collecting email addresses, okay? Because when you collect an email address, that allows you a second chance, a third chance, a fourth chance, a fifth chance of following up with your potential prospects in order for you to build more of a relationship with them and resell them into the weight loss program. In this particular example, obviously you can sell anything you want, but in this example, we're selling the weight loss program, right? It gives you a chance of reselling the weight loss program a second time, a third time, a fourth time, and a fifth time to that potential prospect, okay? So the first thing that you must do is you must learn to collect an email address from your prospects. Okay, I hope that makes sense. That's the first thing. The second thing is once you've collected someone's email address, you never ever want to send them directly to the sales page of the affiliate product that you're trying to sell. Okay, so whether you're selling an online gaming membership website, or you're selling a copywriting course, or you're selling a weight loss program, or you're selling a German language program course, right? You never ever want to send them directly to the sales page, which is your affiliate link of that program. Why? Because once you collected their email address, if you send them directly to the sales page, they're gonna come in and they're gonna be like, this person's trying to sell to me. They're gonna be very suspicious, right? And so even though they might need that German language program or that dog training program or that weight loss program, they're not gonna buy straight away because they're being sold to, right? So what you need to do is you need to disarm, okay, your potential prospects, right? You have to disarm them. You have to make them feel comfortable. You have to make them feel relaxed, right? You have to sell without selling. Now, how do you do that? You do something called adding value, right? You may have heard this before. Add value, add value, add value, add value. But you might be thinking to yourself, well, what the heck does that even mean, Aaron? How do I add value to someone who is trying to lose weight, right? Well, this is all adding value means, right? Now, it's called, have you noticed that there are a lot of businesses, there are a lot of apps out there? So if I was to join like a gaming app, or I was to join some sort of like meditation app, have you realized that they allow you to use the app or the game, play the game for free? But if you want to level up, or if you want to upgrade, or if you want to play the game faster or quicker, you have to pay in order to buy points, or you have to buy packages in order to buy diamonds or gems or money that you can use on the app in order to upgrade and get better results with that app, right? This is called the freemium model. Okay, freemium, right? Now, online is exactly the same thing. When you're selling digital products on the internet, you also want to use the freemium model. That means that You give them bite-sized chunks of information for free on that particular topic, but if they want to learn how to do it properly, like they really want to get, the full program, they want to put their learning, potential or their learning ability in the weight loss industry or the meditation sector, or they want to really learn how to, play a particular game like World of Warcraft or whatever. If they want that, they have to pay for it. Right? Because not everything is free. For example, you can get stuff for free on Google, but if you really want the in-depth training, you're going to have to pay for it. Does that make sense? Right? And so if you can do that, if you can create a freemium model with selling Clickbetter products, then you're going to make way more money than all of the affiliates that are just trying to send people directly to their Clickbetter affiliate link in the first place. I hope that makes sense. Are you having some aha moments right now? So the value piece is giving them a little bit about what they came into to learn in the first place. So if you're trying to sell a dental program or you're teaching somebody about how to look after their teeth, the value piece is you teaching them a little bit about how to look after your teeth. That's all it is, right? Now, whether you decide to do that via video or via a blog or via articles or via a podcast, it doesn't really matter, because as long as you're giving someone a value piece, right, they're learning what they came there to learn in the first place, and they're going to feel more of a connection towards you. And then when they're ready to buy, or if they're like, wow, this is really interesting, but I want a full course on how to learn how to lose weight. I want to get six-pack abs. I don't want these little bite-sized pieces of information anymore. I want the full program. I want to learn how to get six-pack abs in the next 4 weeks, kind of thing, right? Then they can buy the full program, and that's when you recommend them to your Clickbetter affiliate link, and that's when they buy, and that's how you make money, and that's how you increase your conversion rates, your profit margin, and that's how you make a lot of money with affiliate marketing in general. Okay, I hope that makes sense. Now, let me know in the comment section box, what aha moments did you get from this video today? If you got some value from this video, would really appreciate some thumbs ups, okay? People aren't talking about this stuff, right? When you go onto YouTube, when you go onto Google, if you research affiliate marketing strategy, they will just show you to jump onto Clickbetter or ClickBank or JVZoo or Warrior Plus, and they're just going to say, grab your affiliate link, send lots of traffic to it, and then cross your fingers, pray to God, and hopefully you're going to make some money, right? Well, this is the biggest way to fail. This is the biggest way to burn a hole in your pocket, and I don't want you to burn a hole in your pocket, because I want to show you how to do this stuff correctly, all right? So listen, if you got some value from this video today, I'm always coming up with videos like this, so go ahead and smash that subscribe button if you want more videos like this. And if you're like, well, Aaron, how do I do this stuff? Because this stuff sounds good, right? But I need a little bit more in-depth training on how to really take this strategy to the next level so I can implement it inside of my business and my life, right? Well, I've got a free workshop that you can check out if you want. All you need to do is click the link directly below this video. You'll see it in the description box. Click on that link. It's going to lead you to my website. On that website, enter your best email address, and I will send this free workshop directly to your email. Please check your spam folder, because sometimes email ends up in spam. A lot of people are like, Aaron, I opted in, but I'm not getting your training, because sometimes it's in your spam folder, okay? And then this training is literally going to show you how to do this in a lot more detail, all right? How to get your affiliate links, how to get set up, what is the structure that will really work, how to maximize your profit, how to get higher conversions, and all that great stuff, so then you can start to profit with affiliate marketing, make more money, spend more time with your family, not have to worry about your bills, add more revenue to your bottom line. It's just going to be super fun once you learn how to do this stuff properly, okay? So listen, I hope you're doing awesome. I hope you enjoyed this video today. Go ahead and get onto the workshop, and I will see you on the next video. Take care.